I wouldn't take on another product or project without the help of Enviz. I think it's a game changer. It's a development that we've just recently released in Southport. It's 54 apartments. It's residential only, it's boutique, it's on top of a hill. It's got some beautiful views with it, and there's 7 units per floor. A combination of two plus studies and 3-bedroom apartments. I thought it was actually really great. Once we got it approved through council, then we got the marketing material, and then we involved this product into the sales presentation for the developer because we didn't have an actual on-site presence. Because the other option was to spend a lot of money on a upmarket donga on site, which is expensive, and then we also have to staff it 7 days a week to make sure that people are there when people stop. And this product worked a lot better for what we were using it for, and it just saves that whole on-site sales display. We're just inviting them into one of our 3 showrooms and sitting down and doing a full presentation on the product in the showroom. And then if the client can't get up here for any particular reason, well, we're sending the experience down to them, down to the lounge room. I had some clients last week that were in Melbourne. Went down and went through the whole walkthrough together. They were on their devices, I was on my device, and I could do the whole presentation for them. They didn't have to leave their house. Well, the experience has been very well liked from the salespeople and also the consumer, the client coming in. They actually really enjoy taking the clients through the experience, and we've seen direct sales just from the experience. As in, this is amazing, we've got to have an apartment, and they've bought there and then. Yesterday, I think from meeting the client, a walkthrough in my street front shop in Broadbeach here, which I've been here for 17 years. The client had made a choice of an apartment and a decision on the product within about 2 hours from meeting her for the first time. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, in my opinion, being the director of the company, I wouldn't take on another product or project without the help of Enviz. I think it's a game changer and great value for money.